Which one did it better, this or this? Welcome, my name is Oluchi, and if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. This is my channel where I talk to you about cake business and how to build digital skills that will help you stand out globally. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you and sharing with you the exact prompt that I used to get this thumbnail that I used for this video. Yes, and if it's something you're interested in, you're still thinking, how do I use AI for my business? How do I use AI as a YouTuber? How do I use AI to help me save time, increase productivity, just make things a little bit easier? Then this video is for you. First of all, if you're stopping here for the first time, thank you for stopping by, and if you've always been here, thank you very much for your support. Now you know how we do it. Get something to eat, drink, relax, and I'll be right back. You're welcome back. So I'll be sharing with you the exact prompt like I said, but I had created a video, the video I posted before this, about cake hacks, heat wave cake hacks. And I wanted to create a thumbnail and I wanted it to be original. I like to have my face on my thumbnails because that increases visibility as well. That helps with the reach of the video. So I had gone into my garden. I was hot and sweaty and I thought I would like some real, some realness to it. So I went into my garden and took this picture. I took a couple of them, but I wasn't too satisfied. I'm like, why, instead of stressing and having to do this, remove the background, put it on another background, remove the background of the original picture, put it on another background, I can just use AI to make life easy for me. So I bought out my AI tools. And if you don't know the ones that I use, I made a video about my digital tool, about my tech stack. So you need to check out that video. I'm going to link it at the end of this video or maybe in the description box. But I've made a video about the tech stack and things that I use to make life a little bit easier for me. So I pulled up my tools. I brought out Claude and I brought out Gemini and I brought out ChatGPT. And first of all, I went to Claude. I said, I want to create this YouTube video, give me a script for this video, and also create a thumbnail for this video. And then he did and said, it's not an image generator, I think it's not upgraded for that yet, or for some reason, I don't know. But I've never used it to create an image before. I just use it for presentation slides, to get my scripts, to get content, to get captions, all of those things. So it did not generate an image, but it gave me a prompt. It told me there's a prompt I could use. I could put it on Canva. I could put it on Canva, and it gave me some other AI tools that I could use. So I took the prompt and then read through the script. I didn't need to even use it. I read through the script, went to went to Gemini, put the prompt on there, put the same prompt that I used originally, and then put that prompt that I should create that image for me, which it did, and it created this. At the same time, or while it was creating, I went to ChatGPT and put the prompt as well. I'm going to leave the prompt on the screen that I use. So I put that prompt, and that's what you can use if you're a YouTuber as well, or you're looking to start your YouTube channel. I believe things are a lot easier with AI now. It's easy for you to create content, generate content, create your videos. I think the work is in the shooting and also the editing. But getting ideas, it's very easy for you to get ideas for your video and for your Instagram pages, your business pages, LinkedIn, wherever you are. It's easy for you to get all of those things, captions, ideas, hashtags. So I went to ChatGPT, and then I love how it does its image generation now. In the beginning, there used to be typos, there used to be funny images. There's still funny images now, sometimes, like where you see distorted fingers and all of those things, if you look closely and if you look clearly, but it's doing a lot better. I think they're working on it, it's getting better. So I put the prompt for it to generate a script and then a thumbnail. So it just did giggle for me, garbage in, garbage out. So what I gave it gave to me. It puts the script and the thumbnail together. I'm like, no, create the thumbnail separately. I put another prompt, create this thumbnail separately, and just give me this thumbnail. And so it went this. Interesting. I love the pictures. I know I love colors. I love the mix of colors. I think I love everything about it. It even put my name on there, but obviously that's not me. So I put my name on there, and I was like, she cannot possibly be smiling in a heat wave. How can she be smiling in a heat wave with a melting cake? So change it, make her look stressed, worried, anxious, frustrated. I just gave it the feelings or the range of emotions to use, and then it created this one, which I also love. But there was something about it that I wasn't too, I think I went back and then told it to recreate the title or something. I can't remember. But while it was doing that, I went to check what Gemini had done, and this was what it created. I wasn't too satisfied. It was okay, but I think I preferred the one of ChatGPT more. And so I gave it another prompt. I said, just create this for me. Of course, it was just messing up. It was freezing at some point. So I just did a screenshot and put the prompt there for it to create another one while I went back to ChatGPT. And GPT, I think I told, because I saw the ratio. Yeah, the ratio wasn't 16:9. It wasn't the thumbnail ratio. It was slightly bigger. So I went back to it to create a 16:9 ratio, and it did the second one. But it decided to take it further and make the woman all sweaty, really frustrated and really tired and everything and stressed. She did this one. So that was the final one. I just stopped there. It was fine for me. I just stopped there. I wasn't sure which I was going to use, but I think I prefer the second one more. Which one do you prefer? Please let me know in the comments. So while that was happening, or while it gave me that result, I went back to Gemini to see what I'd done. And this was what Gemini gave me. I don't know why. Was it my prompt? Was it something? It took the baker to the marketplace and just gave her a very, I don't know. But I wasn't too pleased with that. I wasn't too pleased with that result. So I just went with this other one. And that was how I created it. So it depends on how much you prompt or how much of a prompt you use. Now, when you're doing prompting, your prompt engineering or promptings for your image creations, you want to create a thumbnail, you want to create a flyer or a graphic, you want to create something that has to do with an image, make sure that you're using elaborate and rich prompts. The more your prompts are, the more detailed they are, the better outputs you'll get, the better results you will get, the more better results you'll get. If you give it something simple, it will just give it, like when I gave it, I told it to give me a script and thumbnail, it just merged everything together in one image and gave me. But that's not what I'm talking about. So if you give whatever you give it gives back to you. And then there's an option as well on GPT now for you to edit. So if you feel the image is not right, you can just go back and it will give you click edit. It will give you the options of what to edit. It will even give you suggestions. So that's how you can use to make life easy for you. And I think I love it. I love the pop of colors. I love the cleanness of the image. I love the expression of the baker. And I love the background image you even added. So it's nice. It's a very useful tool. And these are some of the ways, positives that you can use. And this is some of the ways you can leverage AI as a creator, as a content creator, as a cake business owner, as a cake business artist. Of course, there are downsides to it and all of that. You need to use it ethically. You need to be sure that you're not overfeeding personal, private data into it, private information into it. All of these things you need to take into consideration. But for the good parts, I'm here to make life easy. I'm here to make me more productive. I'm here to be more creative as well. I'm here for it. I'm here for all of it. So tell me, at the end of the day, which do you prefer? The ChatGPT thumbnail or the Gemini thumbnail? I would love to know. And if you'd like to learn more about AI and how you can use it for image generation or promptings or any other thing, if you have questions about this, please let me know in the comments. I think I'm going to put the prompts down in the comments below. I don't know where I'll put it. I'll make it accessible for you. Or I will create a Google Drive link for this or something. I will create something. And if you're not signed up to my email list, my newsletter, I have a newsletter. Please click the link in my bio on Instagram, or I'll make this available. You send me an email and please join my newsletter. A lot is going on and you will enjoy it. I promise you. Thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to let me know in the comments. If you watch up to this point, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel. Please also drop me a robot emoji down below, or just say fantastic, splendid, whatever nice word you can get. Please leave it down below. If you have any questions, also drop them. I'll do my best to answer. Until I see my next video, stay happy, stay safe, and stay blessed.